In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete messages on LinkedIn Mobile. If your LinkedIn inbox feels cluttered, this quick guide will show you exactly how to clear it up, whether you want to remove several conversations at once or just tidy up a single thread. Start by opening your LinkedIn Mobile app. From the main screen, head to your messages by tapping the messaging icon in the top right corner. This takes you straight to your inbox, where you'll see all your recent conversations. If you want to delete multiple conversations in one go, press and hold on any conversation until you see check marks appear. You're now in selection mode. Tap each conversation you want to remove and you'll see a check next to each one you've selected. Take a moment to double check your choices because this action is permanent. When you're ready, use the delete option that appears on the screen and confirm. Those selected conversations will be removed from your inbox and can't be recovered. Bulk deletion is especially helpful for clearing old event invites, promotional threads, or conversations that are no longer relevant. If you prefer to delete a single conversation, it's just as simple. Tap to open the specific conversation you want to remove. In the top right corner of the conversation screen, tap the three dots to open the menu. Choose Delete Conversation, and you'll see a confirmation pop-up letting you know that the conversation will be deleted permanently. Tap Delete to confirm, and that conversation will immediately disappear from your inbox. Keep in mind that deleting a conversation removes the entire thread from your view, including all messages and attachments within it. A few tips for a smooth cleanup. Before confirming a bulk delete, scan the list to make sure you haven't selected anything important by mistake. If you're not sure about removing something permanently, you can step back and review the conversation first, then decide. Also, give the app a second to update after confirming deletions. Your inbox will refresh and reflect the changes right away. And that's all it takes to manage your messages on LinkedIn Mobile. Open your inbox, choose between bulk deletion or a single conversation delete, confirm, and you're done. Keeping your messages organized makes it easier to focus on the conversations that matter most. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.